حي على الصلاة.
The month of Ramadan. Billions of Muslims across the globe begin their fasts and answer the call to prayer. However, on the first night of Ramadan, mosques remain empty in what is famously a month of prayer and submission. Instead, Muslim homes have become the mosques of a new era. In his Friday sermon delivered on the 24th of April, the worldwide head of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community, Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad, may Allah be his helper, advised the community on how to take benefit from this blessed month.
آج کل جو وبا پھیلی ہوئی ہے وائرس کی، اس نے حکومتی قانون کے تحت اکثر لوگوں کو گھروں میں بند کر دیا ہے. لوگ لکھتے ہیں کہ اس وجہ سے ہمارے گھر کا ایک نیا ماحول بن گیا ہے کہ ہم گھروں میں بیٹھ گئے ہیں. نمازیں باجماعت ادا ہوتی ہیں، نمازوں کے بعد مختصر درس و تدریس بھی ہوتا ہے، خطبہ اکٹھے بیٹھ کر سنتے ہیں اور بعض دوسرے پروگرام ایم ٹی اے پر دیکھتے ہیں. اگر یہ لاک ڈاؤن مزید لمبا ہوتا ہے تو پھر اس رمضان میں، اگر یہ پورے رمضان تک حاوی رہتا ہے، تو اس طرح باجماعت نمازیں اور درس و تدریس کو مزید توجہ سے ادا کرنے کی ہمیں کوشش کرنی چاہیے.
Spirits have not been dampened, and Muslims of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community have taken to virtual means to find connection and communion with their spiritual brothers and sisters. The UK Tarbiyat department have organised online dars streams and videos with the inaugural Ramadan Darsul Quran presented by Maulana Atal Mujib Rashid, Imam of the London Mosque. Hundreds of Ahmadi Muslims tuned in live to Maulana Atal Mujib Rashid's address regarding the spiritual benefits of the recitation of the Holy Quran.
The Holy Quran is the most sacred book revealed by Allah Almighty, and it's a verbal revelation which was spread over 23 years of time. It came down verse by verse to most blessed and fortunate Prophet of Allah Almighty, our Master, the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
Daily Darsa Hadith and Darsul Quran streams and videos can be found on the Tarbiyat UK YouTube channel.
From day one of Ramzan, we had to put in a Darsa Hadith in the morning, Tilawat Quran in the afternoon, and also Darsa Quran in the evening on this Tarbiyat YouTube platform. And I like to think that it has become quite a success. We actually schedule all this throughout the day, and it being scheduled and it being on YouTube, people can go back and then see it again and again and again at their comfort, in their home, and with their family whenever convenient.
In a similar vein, the Ahmadiyya Muslim Youth Association UK, the youth auxiliary of the community, have also been hosting a variety of spiritual online seminars and interactive videos. The culmination of this was hosted during a big virtual iftar presenting video diaries of Ahmadi Muslims during the coronavirus lockdown, question and answer session, and webinar talks on Ramadan and the benefits of fasting. One of the keynote speakers was Maulana Mansoor Clark from International Press and Media Department, who presented a seminar titled Starving is Not the Point.
Ramadan and fasting is a lot more than just food and water. And what I want to try and do in today's talk, in just a few minutes that I have, is to speak about what Ramadan actually means. What it means not just for Muslims, but for non-Muslims as well.
More information such as the fasting challenge and future online events can be found at bigvirtualiftar.co.uk. Whether inspired by the hashtag BigVirtualIftar or hashtag FastAtHome, Ahmadi Muslims in the UK have transcended the bounds of the lockdown and virtually stand shoulder to shoulder to display their gratitude to the Almighty.